Punten. Assalamualaikum. So guys, wherever you go, make it a habit to keep your words and manners, especially in the forest like this. So, what is that? Hello my friend, back again with me, Ariel Benhart, and today I will be traveling a bit to a place not so far from my home, precisely in the Taman Sari area, which is not far from my house in Dago. And then the weather is pretty sunny today, so it's a good day to make a vlog. Hello again my friend, welcome to another video, and I have just arrived at the longest forest walk in Southeast Asia, and the name is Babakan Siliwangi Forest Walk. So I'll go straight and explore this place. So let's go. You can park your motorbike here and go straight to the entrance. You can see this place is pretty clean, because the manager cleans this place regularly, I think. Besides that, there are a lot of trash cans in all corners of the area, so keep it clean if you come here. I think I'm in the main hall now. There are a lot of benches, and the atmosphere here is very comfortable for those of you who want to do an assignment or work in groups here, because I think here is quiet and cool under shady trees. So let's see inside the forest. Let's go. This place is still in the Sabuga area, so you can see this place is close to Sabuga field, court and swimming pool also. Guys, it looks like we have arrived at the starting place. Means we have finished exploring this place. Different from the last time I was here, that it was used quite crowded here by young people doing various activity, but now after the pandemic it has become very quiet. I think it's enough for today, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, subscribe. See you on another video. Peace.
I've been missing your strawberry.